Welcome back to our channel, Nutrition Facts.
Today we talk about some benefits of protein and why it's important for our health.
Protein plays a fundamental role in nearly every biological process, making it vital for maintaining good health.
Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes, hormones, and supporting immune functions. Here are some of the best high-quality protein foods for the human body.
Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete source of protein. This high-quality protein is crucial for muscle building, repair, and overall growth.
Ground beef is high in protein, so it's a particularly filling meat option. It's also low in net carbs, meaning it fits right into a keto or paleo diet.
Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is important for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for further updates.